Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a highly requested pregnant mama pamper routine, what I use on my body to prevent stretch marks any further, how I keep my skin moisturized and hydrated throughout my pregnancy, and just how I set my mood during my pregnancy for any bad days or stressful days that I'm having. So I always start off by making a detoxifying water when I am pregnant. I am so hot, just like most of us. If you're pregnant or you have been pregnant, I know you feel me. We just get hot, and I always make a nice crisp cup of cold water in the morning with ice and detoxifying agents like cucumbers, lemons or limes, mints, strawberries. It is so refreshing to drink one of these the first thing in the morning, and it's so healthy and absolutely the best thing you can do for your growing baby inside your belly. First thing I always do when I take out a me day or a pamper day, I light up a candle. Most of the time they are 3-wick candles from Bath & Body Works. This time, this spring, I have been loving Georgia Peach. It is such a fruity, fun, fresh smelling candle from there. I highly recommend it. It smells amazing. And these are all of the products that I'm going to be using to pamper myself today. It is 6 a.m. I had to wake up this early in order to get all this pampering done for myself. That's like the only time I can actually sufficiently pamper myself is if I wake up super early. Having 2 toddlers, a toddler and a baby is pretty hectic in my house, so if I take extra long during this time and they wake up, then my husband is home to help me take care of them. So I dried my hair naturally and just let it air dry after my shower last night, and this is how it turns out. Just curly and fluffy and kind of a frizzy disaster, but a cute disaster. So I just put it up into a little bun to get it all out of my face, and I am putting on this Borghese skin mask that I got. I've been using it for a year. I'm ready to buy another one. That's how much I love it. I swear by this stuff. I'm such a nerd. Look at me with my bad self getting down with my skin mask in my robe in my big old pregnant belly, getting my baby's mama dancing. Normally, if I am doing this mask, it takes like 15 or 20 minutes for it to dry completely, which is what's recommended before it gets washed off. I will do some dishes or pick up some toys around the house, but I was kind of scared to leave out of my bathroom this morning because I didn't want to wake anyone else up in the house. So yeah, I just chilled out in my bathroom for those 15 or 20 minutes to let my skin mask dry, and now I'm gonna hop in the shower to wash it all off, treat my hair, wash my hair, and give me a little shave on my legs. When I wear my hair straight, I will wear it straight for 3 or 4 days in a row and do different styles, put dry shampoo in it. So I am going to use this Garnier Whole Blends Haute Delicacy shampoo and wash my hair really well and let it sit on the top of my head for a good 10 minutes while I'm in the shower. Since I just took a shower last night and had no makeup on, I am still going to use this Olay Total Effects Cream Cleanser. This is super light and airy. It feels really good on my skin. It has little cleansing granules inside of it. And like I said, I was not wearing any makeup, but it still helped to get off all the oils and dirt that had settled in from sleeping overnight. I really like the lightness of this facial wash. So next I rinsed out the shampoo, and instead of putting regular conditioner in, I'm using this hair mask, and it is the Pantene Pro-V Intense Rescue Shots. They are 3 in a little box for less than $5. My holy grail of my hair masks. I love this product. Run to the store and get you some of these masks for your hair. I'm telling you, for an over-the-counter drugstore mask, it is just as good as the top of the line and higher end hair masks. And then I just shaved my legs with some good old soap and water and brushed my teeth. My lips often get pretty dry from transition seasons, from season to season, so I am using some EOS lip balm, and another holy grail of mine is this Korres lip butter. It is spelled K-O-R-R-E-S. I love it so much. My ride or die YouTube makeup guru is Megan Lee, or Levita de Meg, and she introduced me to this years and years ago, and I have been using it ever since. They sell it at Sephora and online at Korres.com. Every product that I have and I'm using today, I am going to link all of it in the description box, so you are sure not to miss out on any of these products that I use.
Going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the...
Since I am going to be straightening my hair, the first thing I do after brushing it out when it is damp is putting on some L'Oreal dry oil to the ends of my hair. Now onto this big old belly of mine. I am taking this Palmer's cocoa butter formula that I got from Target. It was less than $6. It's rich and thick and creamy. I have found this the best product to prevent any stretch marks before, during, and after pregnancy. Absolutely my favorite product from the drugstore. I was introduced to this by my girlfriend Sarah, and it has been a holy grail of mine. I've heard about it for years in preventing stretch marks. I never actually tried it, but I gave it a try and I am absolutely in love with it. So after a few minutes of letting my hair dry and it just naturally drying, naturally fluffy and curly, it is time to straighten it. I am going to use my Wet to Straight oldie but a goodie, cheap old, less than $20 hair straightener that I got from Walmart 5 or 6 years ago. So time to straighten. As I stated before, the only thing I put in my hair, if I put anything at all, will be dry oil, and that just helps control and tame any dry frizzy split ends that I have. And I part my hair and just start to straighten, and there is no rhyme or reason or any particular order that I straighten my hair in. I literally just start straightening it, and it takes me less than 10 minutes. Mind you, I am half black and half Mexican, so my hair is pretty thin and easy to straighten. But I do have a buddy of mine named Kelly who has big, thick hair, and she uses the same exact straightener. She's also been using it for years, and it works wonders on her hair also. So this right here is a straightener that literally I live by. It has never done me wrong. I love it. Like I said, it was less than $20 from Walmart.
And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need.
Guess what? I think I'm in labor.
No big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
So I was going to finish doing my makeup on camera and show you my outfit of the day to get ready for the day, but I started having some Braxton Hicks or real labor contractions. You are going to have to find out and stay tuned yourself. There's a big surprise with the next couple of videos I'm going to be uploading, so please stay tuned. Again, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining us. I would love to have you be a part of our family and our growing girl gang. Please consider subscribing. Please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.